So hello everyone, now we are going to do this question, which is the refractive index of material of a prism is under root 2 and the angle of prism is 30 degree. So one of the two refracting edge surfaces of prism is made a mirror inverse by silver coating. A beam of monochromatic light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its after reflection from the silver surface if the angle of incidence on the prism is 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 0 degree. So let's see what all given in our question. So basically the angle is given over here. So the refractive index is under root 2 and the value given angle is 30 degree given. So and it was given that the two surfaces are refractive surfaces, and what we have to find out the angle of incidence, which is angle of eye of the prism. Let's calculate. Yeah, for our reflecting path, the light ray should be normally incident on a silver face. So the light is incident from this side and it got refracted over here and reflected in this direction. So basically we have to find out this angle, the angle of eye. Okay, and these angles are given and mu is under root 2. So we will use this Snell's law at M. So the point M over here. So sine I upon my sine 30, which is the angle of refractive index, angle R. So under root 2 upon my 1, which is equal to mu. So mu equal to. Okay. So sine I comes out to be 1 upon my root 2 after calculating, and the angle of I will be 45 degree. So the correct option will be option third, which is 45 degree. So thank you everyone for watching this video.